Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create this shake effect by combining three video on CapCut. Three video effects on CapCut. So here, I've already imported clips, so you can just prepare your clips and then just go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and then select the vibration flash effect. Okay, now adjust the effect like this. So the speed, adjust it to 80, intensity, glow and range to 100. Now click on a check icon and make the effect like this. Okay, so now add the second effect. Still on the nightclub category, select the longitudinal jitter effect, this one, and adjust the speed to 50 and blur, intensity and also longitudinal to 100 like this. Click on a check icon and put the effect like this. Okay, now for the last effect, click on the video effect. Now click on the lens category. Now select the wide angle effect. Click on a check icon. Now make it short like this, and now click on object and choose all videos. Okay, at the start of the wide angle effect, add a keyframe and adjust the intensity to 40. Now go to the end of the effect and add another keyframe. Okay, now put the intensity to 0. Okay, now it is done, and if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps for the rest of the clips. And here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to click thanks, like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye.